Hi there. This is going to be a video about the KTM Tools KT2002. It's a small, somewhat portable tire changer, and it was cheap. I think you can get them on Temu. You can get them. I got mine on eBay. Made an offer. I think I paid 420 bucks for it. So I got a video of me just putting it together and then using it. Well, all right, here it is. It's all put together. It's for the most part self-explanatory. Of course, it's gonna fall over. That thing's got a hump all the way around it. All right. First thing first, you gotta break the tire off the bead. Alright, so after we break the bead, well, it's got this here. Goes through where the lug nut goes. Next is the duck head. Alright, went up and mixed up me some soapy water. Alright. I'm gonna manually move the arm back. I gotta move it one more time. All right, now for the bottom part. Look at the bottom, over it up again. All right. There we go. So again, it's the KA Tools. KA Tool, not Tools. KT2002. Cheapest power assisted. Yeah, originally I had some new tires to go on them rims right away, but I lost the footage somewhere, so this is the end. Thank you for watching. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty nice. It breaks the bead pretty good. Has no problem with that. I've been running at 80 pounds of pressure. Doesn't say anything,